Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, the channel where your journey to better health begins. Today, we're diving into a tiny powerhouse of nutrition that often goes unnoticed: pumpkin seeds. They might be small, but don't be fooled. These seeds are packed with health benefits that can transform your body and mind. So grab a handful, because by the end of this video, you'll want to make pumpkin seeds a daily habit. Let's start with what's inside these little seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, vital for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body; zinc supports your immune system and skin health; iron important for blood and energy; protein about 7 grams per ounce. Plus healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. That's a lot of nutrition packed into something smaller than a fingernail. Want to protect your heart? Pumpkin seeds are a heart's best friend. Thanks to their high levels of magnesium, they help regulate blood pressure, improve blood circulation, reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack; and their healthy fats, especially omega-6 and monounsaturated fats, help reduce bad cholesterol and improve overall cardiovascular function. Struggling with sleep? Try a handful of pumpkin seeds before bed. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin and then melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormones. Combined with magnesium, pumpkin seeds can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. A strong immune system is your first line of defense, and pumpkin seeds can help fortify it thanks to their zinc content. Pumpkin seeds enhance immune cell function, speed up wound healing, reduce inflammation, and let's not forget the antioxidants in pumpkin seeds: fight free radicals, lowering your risk of infections and chronic diseases. For men, pumpkin seeds are especially valuable. They're known to support prostate health and reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, a condition where the prostate enlarges and causes urinary issues. This benefit is largely due to pumpkin seed oil and its rich content of phytosterols and zinc. But ladies, don't feel left out. These same compounds help balance hormones and may even ease symptoms of PMS and menopause. If you're managing diabetes or want to prevent it, pumpkin seeds can be a smart snack. They help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing carbohydrate digestion, improving insulin regulation, providing fiber that supports stable energy release. Just a small handful between meals can help keep those sugar spikes in check. Trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy one? Pumpkin seeds might be your new best friend. Thanks to their high content of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, they help you stay full longer, reduce cravings, prevent unnecessary snacking. Just be mindful of portion sizes. A little goes a long way. Now the fun part: how can you eat more pumpkin seeds? Here are some easy ways. Sprinkle them on salads or smoothie bowls, mix into yogurt or oatmeal, blend into protein shakes, add to baked goods like muffins or granola bars, or just roast them with a bit of sea salt for a satisfying snack. You can eat them raw, roasted, salted, or even try pumpkin seed butter. While pumpkin seeds are incredibly healthy, moderation is key. Too much can lead to digestive issues like bloating or gas due to their fiber content. Also, they are calorie dense, so stick to about a quarter cup per serving if you're watching your weight. And always choose unsalted or lightly salted versions to keep your sodium in check. So let's recap. Pumpkin seeds are a tiny but mighty superfood that support heart health, better sleep, immune strength, hormonal balance, blood sugar control, healthy weight, and more. Incorporating just a small handful a day can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy Horizons, and hit that bell so you never miss another health tip. And tell us in the comments, how do you like to enjoy pumpkin seeds? Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep reaching for your horizons.